Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at Windows Longhorn. So Windows Longhorn, build 4074, and for some reason sending Control-Delete to the virtual machine isn't working, which is weird. Control-Alt start. How the heck? Control-Delete. Control-Delete to send. Oh. Okay, this isn't working. Let me try restarting it. This is a very unstable build, as you can see already. But I'm going to show you some of the findings I've seen in it that I haven't really seen that much coverage on the internet, and I don't really have answers to that many of them. So this video is just kind of a question video to see if you guys know the answer to them. Alright, Control-Delete. Still not working. This is great. Send Control-Delete. Come on. Just try restarting it again. Oh, dang it. F8's too late. Yeah, it just... Okay. This is a absolutely fan-frickin-tastic start. Control-Delete. Ay, am I gonna have to reinstall? Well, I've got a lower quality version of my findings, because one, I was seeing what I could find. I recorded it in the background. So, I guess we're doing that. Not sure why Control-Delete wasn't working, but at least we have some record of it. I'm just gonna have to find the parts that are actually interesting. So this I find interesting. So I turn everything on, but what about this people nearby thing? And I turn everything on. Basket, which is something else I can't really figure out, but join people nearby. And I think at one point I actually click it. Hold on. So the first thing I do, actually, we'll get back to that later, but the first thing I do is there's a contacts bar. So I create an example contact with a fake email and everything. And I click it. And this is what happens. So I have to sign up to Outlook, which is interesting. We can just skip through that. And then I create an email to joeschmo email@hotmail.com. And by the way, it's not connected to the internet. But this, let me replay this again so you can see this. So I type out my message, then I press send, and we get this message animation. And this is why I really wanted to get it running again so that I could get a higher frame rate version of this, but this animation with the letter flying and your message is on its way. Now that is something I've not seen on the internet before, so I wonder if you guys have an explanation to that, some of you Longhorn experts out there. Okay, and back to the basket actually that I couldn't understand. I take an example document I've made and I try to drag it into the basket, because basket sounds like something where you'd put a file in, you know. And I drag it in and it just pops up as 1. And I can't seem to be able to, well, I didn't try dragging more things into it. And I obviously can't now that my virtual machine broke, but it would be really interesting to see what happens when there are 2 things dragged into it. So yeah. So at this point I click it and it just says, when I click it, leave people nearby. Alright, so what I was saying is, before I got interrupted, is I just can't figure out what this could possibly be used for. It says 0 people nearby, but how could a computer of that era have GPS tracking capabilities, you know. I don't really get how it could have GPS tracking, and I did some Googling about this people nearby thing, and I was only able to find a screenshot from a demo, and I don't even know if the demo is real. I'll show you the demo on screen now. You can find the link to the demo in the description past the Discord link, which is on screen now. But, yeah, I just can't figure this out. What is this people nearby thing? What is it? What is it supposed to do? What was it meant for? I hope you guys can figure this out, because this is really bothering me. What were you meant for? What did Microsoft want you to do? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Take care.